Nevaeh's Lego set. My last name is Lego. And this is Lego Friends Cafe.
Yeah?
And this is my first time doing a video. Look.
Okay.
This is going to be weird.
What's in it?
Here's a cupcake that you can reach out easily. See?
Oh.
Right there. It doesn't even stick in. It just falls in.
Okay.
And here's a milkshake.
Yeah?
And this is strawberry milkshake.
Mm-hmm.
And
What else flavors?
this strawberry.
Mm.
And I like strawberry.
Cool. What's the name of your cafe?
It just cafe.
It's just cafe. It's not Nevaeh's cafe.
It can be Nevaeh's cafe.
Ah, okay.
And I like this thing too. Look, it is diamond.
Oh. Where's that go? In the
Right
front?
here.
Oh, that's nice.
Let's peek in the back.
Okay, turn it around.
Oh, when do I see? Whoa. I like this candy machine.
Mm-hmm.
Has
Cool, bubble gum. Is there bubble gum in there?
it can be red. There's a prize on the bottom and there's green bubble gum left.
Cool. What else is inside there? Hmm?
Huh?
What else is inside?
And this door opens easily. And I like these.
Flowers?
And let's go inside now.
Okay. Wow. What's in there?
There's a menu right here.
Is that a burger?
Right here.
Oh, cool.
This is a menu. Just had to pick that up.
And that's what
This
you cook?
is, yeah,
You built that all yourself?
yeah.
Wow.
And here's a popsicle, and it costs $3. And here's a cupcake that costs $4. And here's an ice cream in a cone that costs $6.
Oh.
And it's strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. Those are the favorite stuff I like.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What else?
And she's just waiting for money. You can't see there's money
Where?
right here. And
Oh, wow. Let me see.
$100.
Let me see. You can't see. Oh, that's a lot of money. That's so
And it goes like that.
Mm.
And one more thing on the cash register.
Is that a pie?
No, just a cupcake.
Oh, just a small cupcake?
And
Mm.
here's a picture of two cupcakes. One in blue. One in blue and one in yellow.
Okay. Show the camera.
Huh?
Show the camera.
Right here.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Well, how much time is it?
What else?
Here's a Lego girl. And
Where's the other girl?
her name is... What this says?
Marie.
And her name is Marie. And
What's the other girl's name? Her name is. What is it?
her name is Andrea.
Yep. Good job. Oh, that's cool, man. Dun, 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 dun.
And that's my sister.
And that's Rio. Hey. All done?
Now,
The end? Or no? Okay, what else?
and here's a hamburger that is, there's pickle and there's a hamburger.
Pickle and meat and tomato?
Now there's pickles and the burger, and it can do more stuff too.
That's so cool. Where's all your... What is that stuff right there?
Oh, this stuff. This is like instructions.
Instructions?
Instructions.
What about that on the other side?
This one?
Duh.
Oh,
What's that?
this is the front that goes right here.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay. That's cool. Now you say, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Till next time.
And till next time. And then you'll see my next video,
Yay.
which is going to be the little one.
Good.